playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. The action has already started. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual? Can he finish? Goal!
Unique fashion. This guy is sheer class.
So, a breakthrough already. Oh, that's a nice ball. And that's been levered clear. Gets a good foot in there. It's a good ball and he could be in. Well, that's been cut out, well played. Ibanez. Roma, disappointing in the end there. They lack urgency. No, that's been intercepted. Cristante. Now it's Zaniolo. And he's heaved it away. That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was... Decent hit! Oh, that is rather wayward. Break on the break. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. And he's on his shapes to shoot! And that from the finish. Cristante. That's Smalling. So just a one early goal to report so far. And the score is 1-0. He is through here. And the counter is on. It's Neymar! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, we were anticipating this. They're very much set up for the counter-attack, and I don't see it changing anytime soon.
Mkhitaryan. Pressing is high and relentless. And it's Mkhitaryan. Zaniolo. And Dijk does well to get it back. Now it's Neymar. Now it's Nedved. Smalling. Mancini. Moved forward and quickly so. Pellegrini. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? And he can clear it away. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Dinks one through. Knocks it away. Pellegrini plays it short. And it's hoisted clear. Pellegrini goes short. It'll be a throw-in. Ibanez. That's really well controlled. Oh, it's played into the area. Davis with the clearance. Long ball out to the right. Can he get onto this? Navas. Bout of passing here, really easy on the... Great chance! It's in! And this is getting better and better. Things starting to look very comfortable.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Mkhitaryan, interesting ball.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
Pellegrini with the short one. Sane gets it clear. Picked out brilliantly. Danger averted for now. Played out towards the right wing.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind is filled.
There will be 1 minute added time.
Cristante. And we've reached half-time. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
By the local police.
It has been a remarkable contest, decorated by goals, and 2 between them at half-time. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. Sane to Goretzka, and it's Nedved. Cristante spots it and intercepts. Ah, it's been intercepted! Great ball, and he's in here! Pellegrini, Abraham, Zaniolo, out to the right, and he's managed to get rid, and they're back on the ball again. Neymar already with 2 goals under his belt. Good spot, he's seen the run. He's got away. De Bruyne! Oh, he can pounce on that.
53 minutes is
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Zaniolo. Zaniolo! It's loose and there's a race for the ball. Massive leap! Oh. Abraham. Great defending, strong and determined. And that's a good... He's got a hit! It's there!
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
So is this the start of a comeback? Well, that's been intercepted.
the attendance for this match was 70,000.
He's having a go! They've done it! And they are dragging it back! Game on again!
Roma clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
After 60
Roma
minutes
get themselves
is
back into contention.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Well seen, saw that coming. Now who's going to be first to this? Out for a throw. Oh, really good feet. Ball's out, it'll be a throw-in again. Towering header! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
He's come in hard.
Roma are definitely going about this the right way.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Well, the question now is whether they can sustain it.
It's Neymar! Pellegrini. Abraham. Nedved. Ibanez. No, he's taken off it, that's really well played. Passing is crisp and sharp. Abraham. Gets good distance on it. Roma have it back and they can go again. Cristante. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. Tries a header! So close to drawing level.
Ibanez was already celebrating in his head and probably still can't process how the keeper denied him. What a stop!
Now there's a fine ball. And he's gone backward here. He's gone for goal!
Called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Oh, Red, nice interception. Gets his pass away. Can he latch on to this? Up to meet it!
And he'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
It's a pretty loose pass. Mkhitaryan, who does have an assist to his name. It is just a question of running down the clock now. Poor pass that, sloppy.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
Moved on
added
forwards.
minutes has been indicated.
Zaniolo. Mkhitaryan. Oh, good read. Oh, it's come loose. Cleared away. Changes we have been expecting.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
And time is up. Well, whatever the shortcomings on either side, it was a great game to watch. Just one between them. Neymar voted man of the match, and deservedly so. How do you look back on the game there, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was